Yeah, I thought we'd try just a little, how you doing guys? Just a change of scenery. Yes, I do have a couch in my office in case you didn't know that. And yes, because you do know that I come here all hours of the evening to edit videos and have fun presenting all kinds of Corvette content for you guys. There's many naps on this couch as well. Quick video for you. This will probably be the shortest video ever on my channel. Just wanted to update all of my customers and those that are about to have cars built. Hopefully this is just a very temporary program. Right now, General Motors has immediately halted all new Corvettes and other vehicles within General Motors from shipping with Jack Cooper Transport. I'll put a link down below. The very first comment will have all kinds of important links for you guys, including this article from Detroit Free Press. But in brief, if you're waiting on a new 2025 Corvette to be delivered, you can thank Ford Motor Company for the delay. Thursday afternoon, General Motors ordered drivers of its longtime shipper, Jack Cooper Transport, to unload new Corvettes that have just been placed on the carrier at Bowling Green Assembly in Kentucky. I stood there and I watched them unload 50 cars from trucks. They've never done that before. The Free Press was told by a plant employee there in Bowling Green, Kentucky. They asked to remain anonymous because they had no permission to talk to the media. Now, GM's contract with Jack Cooper is currently being renegotiated after its number 2 customer, Ford Motor Company, unexpectedly canceled their 40-year-long deal with the shipping company in January, forcing Jack Cooper to try to get more money from its other customers to stay afloat. Do we see, now there's more to this article, again, a link down below in the very first comment. Do we see a shipping destination charge increase coming soon? Yeah, I'm afraid so. Stay tuned. More on that developing story. We'll let you know. So those that have cars about to be built, they'll still get built. They just won't get shipped in a timely manner. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date right here on the channel. If you're looking for a car that's actually in stock, if you can see behind me, I got a bunch. We're flexible on pricing, man. Get a hold of me and contact information up on the screen because as we call it, it's springtime, but we call it Corvette season. That's right. I want you to be a part of it behind the wheel in your own Corvette. I'd love to work with you guys. Thanks for the consideration and the opportunities. Have a good day.